morning children. Welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In the last class we have gone through exercise 2.1, that is first Roman, second Roman, and I gave third Roman homework. Okay, and in first Roman and second Roman also I gave the remaining sums homework. Okay, now as soon as after the video finished, I am going to send the key for first Roman and second Roman and third Roman. Okay, that means remaining sums what I have taught first and second, and third sum only one is left. That sum I will send through pick. You can check your homework. Okay, now today all of you open page number 31 children. Open page number 31, exercise 2.1. Okay, in that fourth question you see. Okay, before starting this exercise, we have to learn some formulas. Already you know in 6th standard, like area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equals to L into B. That means length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into L plus B. Area of a square. Area of a square equals to side into side or S square. Similarly, perimeter of a square equals to 4 into side. So these are all the four formulas, means which is very helpful for you in this chapter. So area of a rectangle, that is L into B, that is length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B. Area of a square equals to side into side, that is S square. Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. Suppose in case if it is a triangle like this, then they ask perimeter. Then they will ask perimeter. Suppose I took this name of this triangle as ABC. I took this name of this triangle as ABC. Now if I ask what is the perimeter of a triangle, means AB plus BC plus CA. That means what are the values given here? Suppose BC is given 5, AC 7, AB 8, like that it is given. Then what to do? If they ask for the perimeter, we have to add all the three sides. That is perimeter. Okay children? If they ask triangle, means suppose area of a triangle means half base into height. That means half into base into height. Okay, the height will be given here children, according to the triangle. Okay, area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. Okay children, perimeter means sum of the sides, sum of the given sides for the triangle. Okay, now basing on this exercise 2.1 fourth sum. Okay, read the question at least twice children while doing any problem. Okay, page number 31, exercise 2.1 fourth question. A rectangular sheet of a paper 12 1/2 centimeters long and 10 2/3 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. A rectangular sheet of paper 12 1/2 centimeters long and 10 2/3 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. Okay. For understanding purpose, okay, you all know that I am going to explain the sum, how to do it, and I'll send the classwork as a pics. Okay. Here, what he has given, a rectangular sheet of a paper is given. That means, for understanding purpose, just draw a rectangle. Okay. Draw a rectangle. The length is given, that is long, that is 12 1/2 centimeters and 10 2/3 centimeters. That means long means length, wide means breadth. This is the fourth question from exercise 2.1. Okay, from exercise 2.1 fourth question children. Okay, now what he has given, length is given and breadth is given, but what he asked, find its perimeter. Okay, so length equals to how much? 10 2/3. That means it is in mixed fraction. Now change it. 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 2, 32/3 centimeters. Okay. So length, sorry, this is length is 12 2 by 3. This is breadth, children. This is breadth. Okay. Length I am writing here now. Length is 12 1 by 2. Length is 12 1 by 2 centimeters. Length is 12 1 by 2. Long means length. So 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24 plus 1. 25. 25 by 2 centimeters. That is what? Length. Breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeters. That is 3 10s are 30 plus 2. 32 by 3 centimeters. Now what he asked? Perimeter. Perimeter means what? Perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle equals to, okay, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Now 2 into L means length. So 25 by 2 plus breadth is 32 by 3. Okay. First, what is there in the bracket you simplify, children. And here 2 and 3 denominators are not same. So what to do? We have to do LCM. So 2 and 3 means 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 is 6 LCM. Now 6 how many times? 3 times. Okay. So 25 3s are 75 plus. In 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So how much now? 2 into, is it once again you check it. Length means 25 by 2. Breadth means 32 by 3. For 2 and 3 LCM is 6. In 2 table 6 3 times. 3 into 25 is 75. 3 table 6 2 times. 2 into 32 is 64. Now 2 will be like that. Now 5 plus 4 9. 7 plus 6 is 13 by 4. Sorry, by 6. By 6. Now in 2 table 6 how many times it will go, children? 5 plus 4 9. 7 plus 6 is 13 by 6. Now 2 bracket, that means into. Actually 2 bracket means 2 into. Here I am writing, look at here. 2 into 139 by 6. Now here it is numerator and it is denominator. We can cancel it. So 2 ones, 2 3s. That is 139 by 3. Now as we discussed earlier that denominator is smaller than numerator, we have to convert it to mixed fraction. That is 139. Okay. 139 divided by 3. 3 table. 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 2. 1. Bring down 9. 3 6 are 18. So 19 minus 18 is 1. That is 46 1 by 3. As we discussed like this. 46 1 by 3 centimeters. Okay. So this is how to find out perimeter. Just apply the formula and do the simplification. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Is it clear? We will go for the next sum, children. Okay, children. See here the next question. Fifth question, that is. Find the perimeter of a triangle. The first one is triangle ABE. And the second one is the rectangle BCDE. In this figure, whose perimeter is greater? That means, actually what is the meaning of this question, you know? Here, if you clearly observe, there are two different types of figures. One is triangle, the other is rectangle. Now, ABE is a triangle and BCDE is a rectangle. Now, what is the question? Is asking to find whose perimeter is greater. Whose perimeter is greater means first we have to find triangle perimeter, then we have to find perimeter of a rectangle, then we have to do comparison. Comparison means which is greater, either rectangle or triangle perimeter greater, we have to check it. Okay. Now, if you clearly observe, AB is a triangle. triangle ABE. Okay, triangle AB is a rectangle. BE, how much BE is given? BE equals to 2, 3 by 4 centimeters. Okay, shall I check once whether the given units are correct or not? 2, 3 by 4, 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 2, 7 by 6. Okay, next. Here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So 11 by 4 centimeters. Okay, next BE finished. Next AE. AE how much is given? 3 by 5 centimeters. That is nothing but 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 by 5 centimeters. Okay. Next AB. AB how much is given? 5 by 2 centimeters. Okay. Now what he asked, find the area of triangle, find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter. What I told in the before video, just previous, in this introduction part, when I told you, I had given that area of a triangle, perimeter of a triangle like that. So here, he asked perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABE. So perimeter of triangle ABE means what I told, sum of the sides means BE plus AE plus AB. All the sides we have to add, that is 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5 plus 5 by 2 you have to add. 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5 plus 5 by 2 we have to add. But if the denominator is equal, then you can add directly. But what happens here? The denominators are not same. Then we will go for LCM. So 4, 5, 2. Find LCM. 2 2s. In 2 table 5 will not come. 2 1s. Okay. Now 2 into 5. 1 no problem. 1 if you write or not, no problem. Because if you multiply anything with 1s, you will get the same answer. So 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So what is the LCM, children? 20. Okay. Now in 4 table 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 table 20 4 times. 2 table 20 10 times. Okay. So 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 3 4 1s are 4 plus 3 72 plus 5 10s are 50. Okay, 5 10s are 50. Now add 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 0 no problem. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 0 7. Next 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. So 177 by 20. Okay, 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. So 177 by 20 centimeters is what? Perimeter of triangle ABE. Now we have to find perimeter of rectangle. Okay, now listen children. This is given now BE. BE and CD are equal because both lengths are equal. So you can write 2 3 by 4 here also, no problem. Means these two are lengths, these two are breadths. So this is also 7 by 6 only. This is 2 3 by 4 means this is also 2 3 by 4. This is 7 by 6 means this is 7 by 6. Because in the rectangle both the lengths are same and both the breadths are same. So now here DE or DC, sorry DC, not DE, DC. DC is a length, that is 2 3 by 4 centimeters. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 by 4 centimeters. So that is length. Breadth is DE, that is 7 by 6 centimeters. Now what to do? We have to find perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. So 2 bracket L means 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Okay, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now find LCM for 4 and 6. Find LCM for 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12. LCM is 12. 4 table 12 how many times? 3. 3 11s are 33. 6 table 12 2. 2 times 2 7s are 14. In 2 table 12 will go 2 1s 2 6. In 2 table 12 will go. Okay. Now add 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 1 4. So 47 by 6. 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 1 4. So 47 by 6 you got it. This is also centimeter. This is what you got now. Perimeter of a triangle is ABE, that is 177 by 20. And perimeter of a rectangle that you got 47 by 6. Now whose perimeter is greater? We cannot say whose perimeter is greater by seeing these two. Why? Because both the denominators are not same. Both the denominators are not same. So what to do again? How to compare means take these two now. How much you got here? 177 by 20. How much this rectangle you got? 47 by 6. Both you take and compare now. See now how I am going to compare. Okay children. Now we have to compare these two perimeters. Okay. Then we will be knowing which perimeter is more. Means whose perimeter is greater he asked. No? Okay. Now 177 by 20 is triangle 1 and rectangle 1 is 47 by 6. Okay. Now 20 and 6 both denominators are not same. So first write these two for our clarity. 177 by 20 and 47 by 6. That means we are comparing now which is greater. So 20 and 6. To find which is greater, the denominators must be equal. But here the denominators are not same. So go for LCM. 20 comma 6. 2 table, 2 tens, 2 threes. 2 5s, 2 threes. 2 tens, 2 threes. 2 5s, 2 3 will not go. So directly you can write 3. Now 2 into 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. So LCM is 60. So 20 table 60 how many times? 3 times. 6 table 60 how many times? 10 times. 3 7s are 21. Okay, 2. 3 7s are 21, 22, 23. 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 7s are 21, 2. 3 7s are 21, 22, 23. 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 6 table 60, no? So 10 times. 6 table 60, 10 times. So 47 into 10. So 470. So 531 by 60 and 470 by 60. Now if you will see clearly here which is greater, because this now both the denominators are same. Now 531 by 60, 471 by 60. So which is greater? 531 by 60. So 531 means what? Triangle. So whose perimeter is greater? Triangle perimeter is greater. So he asked whose perimeter is greater. So therefore triangle ABE perimeter is greater. Okay. Is it clear? We'll go for the next sum. Okay children, see the next question children. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, Salil wants to picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeters wide. The picture size is 7.3 by 5 centimeters wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeters wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, listen very carefully. See here, I will show you one example here. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Suppose this is a frame children. This is a frame. In this frame, you want to place one picture here. Okay, you want to place one picture here. Okay, the picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeters wide. That means, listen here. The picture size is 7.3 by 5 centimeters. The picture size is 7.3 by 5 centimeters. He has taken that much size. But what to do? To fit in this frame. Which frame? Just now I showed you, in this frame. I showed you one photo here. See, I am showing you again both. Okay. Here I am showing you this photo. And I want to place this full picture in this frame. Okay, I want to place this full picture in this frame. But what do you observe children? If you observe clearly here, what picture I have taken is more than the frame. So then what I will do? I will do trimming. Trimming in the sense, I will cut the picture. Trimming in the sense, I will cut the picture according to the size of the frame. Then I will cut it. Then I got the picture like this. Okay. I got the picture like this. Then what to do? Just put it in the frame. Now it fits perfectly. Okay. Is it clear? Actually, what is the meaning of that means? We have taken one picture here, this much size. This much size picture he has taken. And he wants to put this picture in one frame. But comparing that, the frame is less than the picture. Then what he will do? He will do trimming. Trimming in the sense, he will adjust or he will cut borders. He will cut the borders. And after getting the same size of this, then he will place the picture here. So for that, what to do is asking now. Okay. Once again I am reading the question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. That means this picture he wants to put in this frame. The picture is actually 7.3 by 5 centimeters. Okay. 7.3 by 5 centimeters. To fit this frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10. And 7.3 by 10 kane ekku undakudadu. So what to do? 7.3 by 10 centimeters kanna ekku undakudadu. That's why do subtraction. That means trimming chesam kada, we did trimming. So how much you trim? That one you will get now. Okay. That means 7.3 by 5 minus 7.3 by 10. 5 sevens are 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 minus 10 sevens are 70. 70 plus 3, 73 by 10. Okay? Will you do like that? All will do like that only. Yes or no? But I will tell you one small logic here. Okay? What is that logic? We cannot do directly here because all will do subtract blindly. 38 minus 73. But you have to observe one thing again. That is denominators. But here the denominators are not same. So what to do? LCM. Again you have to find LCM for 5 and 10. 5 ones, 5 twos. So 5 into 2. So LCM is 10. So LCM is 10. Now in 5 table 10 how many times? 2. 2 2 into 38. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Minus 10 table 10 one time. So 1 into 73 73. So 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10 centimeters. That means 3 by 10 centimeters we have to cut it. Then we can put this picture in this frame. Okay, is it clear? అంటే క్లియర్ గా అర్థమైందండి. ఒక పిక్చర్ బిగ్ సైజ్ అయిపోతే మనం అది ఫ్రేమ్ లో పట్టాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాము? ఆల్ బార్డర్స్ గానీ లేదా బ్రెత్ వైజ్ గానీ విత్ వైజ్ గానీ మనం చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, either breadth wise or length wise you have to check it. Which size is more? ఏ సైజ్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతే దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం? మనం కట్ చేసేస్తాం. కట్ చేసి ఫ్రేమ్ కి సరిపడేట్టు ఆ పిక్చర్ అందులో ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద యాక్చువల్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్. Okay children, next. See the next question now. Okay children, see that in the page number 32, 7th question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, Ritu, how much she ate? 3 by 5 part of the apple, part of an apple she ate. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? How much part of the apple did Somu eat? That is one question. Who had larger share? That is one question. By how much? There are 3 questions in this. First thing is we have to find what is the remaining part of the apple first. Then you can tell very easily. Okay, that means the remaining part who ate? Somu. Somu ate. But how, out of how many apples? Ritu have how many apples? 1 apple. Okay, in this 1 apple, okay, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part. That means from 1 minus, you just subtract it. From 1 apple she ate 3 by 5 part. She ate means we have to do subtraction. So 1 by 1. So 1 and 5 LCM is 5. 1 5s are 5. So 5 table 5 one time. 1 into 3 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 who ate? That is Somu. Somu 2 by 5 part 8. Now, okay, that is one question over. Who had larger share? Okay, actually Ritu share how much? Ritu is 3 by 5. Somu now you got 2 by 5. Now whose share is more? We can say very easily Ritu share. Yes or no? Because she ate more. Next, by how much? By how much means we have to do subtraction. That means 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. That is 1 by 5. So this is the difference between these two, Ritu and Somu. Okay, is it clear? So one sum left. That sum I am giving for you homework. That is 8th sum, which is very easy children. Okay, Michael finished the coloring a picture in 7-12 by hours. Weber finished the coloring the same picture in 3 by 4. Who worked longer? Easy. Okay, just try to understand the question and do it as a homework. So right now maths homework exercise 2.1, right? Exercise 2.1, page number 32, 8th sum. Okay, 8th sum you can do it as a homework. Okay children, have a nice day.